now we're getting into some fun stuff called combining like terms. That's like the beginnings of algebra. And the beginnings of it is really just to say, this is the part that always throws it off. It's like terms, okay? So, you saw my intro, you know what a term is. But to make it a like, you just need a couple of things. One, the like term needs to have the same variable. So the coefficient, the number in front of the variable, doesn't matter to make it a like. What matters is the variable itself. And not only the variable itself, it has to have the same exponent. So let's take a look. So let's get rid of all the stuff that is not the same variable, okay? So this is not like because that's a D. That's another D. Another one, another one. Okay, so we have all these potential like terms. Now we need to say, okay, this E has no exponent on it. In fact, it does. It's an invisible 1. But it has no real exponent on it. These do. So they are not going to be like terms. Which leaves minus 7e and minus 16e as like terms. Okay, let's look at another one. Ooh, a minus 15. That's a good one. That's just a number. We call it a constant. So do we see any constants on here? Well, this has a variable on it, so no. This is a variable. That's not a constant. That's got a variable. This has a variable. Ooh, but the minus 8, that's just a constant. That's a number. Minus 15d squared, nope. Minus 6d, nope. Ooh, a minus 9, totally works. So these two are like terms, meaning they can be combined. What about this one? Minus 8e. So all I care about is the e. So first off, ignore everything that's not an e. 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 Now, I need to look for, oops, sorry, the last one was an e. I need to look for an e with no exponent. Ooh, that has an exponent of 2, and this one does too. So my like terms for a minus 8e is a minus 4e and a plus 7e. Those all can be combined. Okay, one more. Plus 16c to the second. So I'm looking for a c. No c. No c. No c. Oh, that's a c. No c. C, C, C. Perfect. Now we need the same exponent, which is a 2. Well, this is a C, but no 2. That's a C2. That's a C, no 2. That's a C2. So these are all good. So minus C to the second is a like term, and a minus 15C to the second is a like term. Okay?